Sunac China Holdings, the real estate developer headed by billionaire son Hongbin, said it had defaulted on interest payments for a $742 million offshore bond, and it's also unlikely to make the payments on other notes coming due this year and next, according to a Thursday filing to the Hong Kong Street. By failing to fulfill its financial obligations and falling into default, Sunac is joining the likes of China Evergrande Group, Fantasia, Modern Land, Kaisa Group Holdings and others that have struggled for access to financing after Beijing cracked down on the real estate sector, which the government. Meanwhile, the country's latest COVID outbreak and related curbs are dealing a blow to economic growth and home buyers' confidence. Sunac said in the aforementioned filing that contracted sales for both March and April plunged 65% year-on-year, which further exacerbated the current liquidity constraints of the group. As a result, Sunac could not make its payment of $29.5 million in interest for the 7.95% senior note due October. The deadline for the coupon payment was initially on April 11, but Sunac had a 30-day grace period that expired on Wednesday. The company said the failure to make the payment may lead creditors to demand immediate repayment of the principal amount and accrued interest, but it hasn't received any such demands from bondholders yet. Sunac also has 3 other dollar bond coupons that were initially due in April and also have 30-day grace periods to make payments as well. Given the group's current liquidity constraints, there is no assurance that the group will be able to meet its financial obligations when due or within the RE. Sunac warned that this may result in relevant creditors taking enforcement actions. It has appointed investment bank Houlihan Lokey as its financial advisor and law firm Sidley Austin as legal advisor. The company said it would seek to resolve the liquidity crisis by accelerating sales and payment collection, asset disposals, seeking debt extension, and introducing strategic investors. Last year, Sun himself provided a $450 million interest-free loan to his company. The announcement came in tandem with Sunac issuing new shares and selling shares in its property management unit, which helped to raise $953 million in total. The billionaire, a U.S. citizen, has seen his wealth tumble more than 70% from 2021 to its current level of $2.5 billion. Sunac has halted trading in its shares since April 1, and said in late March that it couldn't publish its annual report on time.